Hi guys! Dito kami sa hospital kasi ni Zola ngayon general check-up. Kaya hinihintay ko siya hanggang siya sa loob. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Abangan na lang mamaya. Salamat po sa lahat. Salamat. Dito na kami guys. Pipick up na kami ng aming medicine. Pagkatapos namin magpa-check up, pipick up tayo ng medicine. Naka-pick up guys. Pick up na namin ng isang bag ng gamot. Good for 2 months. Tapos na tayo. Uuwi na tayo. Yeah. Uwi na tayo. Uwi na ng bahay. Tapos na kami. Punta na kami mag groceries tayo. Dito tayo guys. Sakay tayo ng bus. Hintay tayo. Certificate and all. Ayan na yung bus guys. Sasakay tayo. 38 bus. Right. May pera pa yung patatong ko. Na tayo guys sa mall. A lot of birds. A lot of birds. Oh. Tingin tayo ng tinapay. Oh, so cute. Tingin daw kami ng tinapay. Sige na kami kain tinapay. No, you have donut buy.
Donut buy.
Yeah, donut buy. Donut. I love. Donut, donut, so sweet. Oh my god, a lot of kind of bread, guys. Cheese chopstick. Huh? Cheese. Oh, but their bread are expensive. Kind of bread. You said it's your favorite?
You remember this? That's the one I bought it.
Oh, that's very big.
Yeah, we can get.
This one, the white sesame and the black sesame seed.
I don't like the color.
Yeah.
Looks like I'm sick.
Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Sarap. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is so totally pork chop bread. Oh, pork chop. Yeah, pork chop inside.
Thank you.
Oh, diba? Ang dami. Guys, dito naman luncheon meat. Oh. Ito $19. Big na siya. Waiting for French style butter soft bread. Ito yung mga gusto kong pinapay, guys. Yung may mga peanut. Yan, masarap. $24. $30. Kasi masarap yung may peanut. Yan, gusto natin pinapay. This one also small lang.
This one is the little thing.
26 6 pieces is only $26. Little things. Do not buy it. So much. If you pet guys, do not buy. They have a garlic bread. They have a garlic bread. This one, cake. $60.
Hey, you want to buy bread here or you want to buy your cakes?
Taste, let's see. This one's so sweet. Donut ba? Yan ang paborito ko na donut. Yan ang paborito ko na donut. Remember that? Oo, may mani-mani siya.
Maybe we go to
Frozen.
see any bread good. If no good, then we can come back and buy it.
Bibili tayo ng salmon head, guys. Taste. Para may gana tayong kinain. Lagi pa naman. Ito na tayo sa loob ng mall, guys. Hindi na naman kami dito ng ibang bread, guys. Hot dog in the center of Tony.
Very greasy.
Very greasy. Yeah. Ito na tayo. Walala, donut again. A donut. I feel to eat donut but I don't want. Oh, this one.
Oh, this one looks good,
Yeah.
right?
Mga favorite ko yung mga mamang.
This one looks good. Oh, this is the
Pinli
sourdough.
blanc. Yeah. The sour?
Sourdough.
Yeah.
I love sourdough. Which one is good? This one is this or this one?
These are same one.
Which one you like?
This one. Oh, we have a big bread, guys.
I like sourdough.
Oh, I want that. Sour.
32.
You can pay here. You can pay here.
What? This is good too.
Traditional.
Traditional. Oh, this is sourdough too.
Yeah, sourdough. A selection of natural fruit
144 a
flour.
kilo.
Flour.
But I rather get the
This one okay lang. What is this?
I like sourdough.
This one is a very soft, $25.
Hey, this one is like the bread we have.
Very soft.
You remember we have this one? Put ham and things.
Coconut snail. Coconut snail. The design look like a
I cannot
coconut.
eat coconut because my
Please
stomach.
Di kita iiwan sa paglalakbay. XL butter bun, garlic bread. Sarap yung garlic bread, guys. Ito naman cheese soft bag. Katabakan yung nila ko dito ba? Sila kang tao. Namin, guys. Ay, laki-laki. Bayaran na natin.